Hi, welcome to Productive C#. In this video, I want to talk about two string helper methods, String.IsNullOrEmpty or String.IsNullOrWhiteSpace. These are two very useful, common methods that you will find useful. Okay, let's start and look at the code that we have. So we have a method print string info and it takes strings. Well, the first two ifs basically check if the string is null or if the string is empty in two different ways. One is checking that the string is actually equals to empty, or that is exactly the same as doing double quote, like that, or actually checking that the string length is 0, that is slightly more efficient. Okay. In the framework, starting from the .NET Framework 2.0, you can do the same doing String.IsNullOrEmpty. There we go. And this is basically achieve the exact same results. Let me remove the second if. Okay. Starting from the .NET Framework 4, you can also check if a string is empty or contains whitespace characters. Right. That's often quite handy. So one way of doing it is checking if it's null, or you do a trim that remove all the white spaces from the start and the end of the string, and then check that is equals to empty. Or you can actually do use the all link and check if each character is a white space. You can do that like that. But starting from the .NET Framework 4, you can do this with a single method call that is String.IsNullOrWhiteSpace. And basically you achieve the same result. As you can see here, I have a program that passes null, an empty string, a string with only space characters, and actually my name. And if you run this, you can see that basically behaves like you would expect. That empty string is null, null is null or empty, empty string is null or empty, and then a string with characters is null or whitespace, and nothing is printed for the Andrea because it's not neither of those. If you want to have a quick look about the implementation, that's pretty much similar to what I've already shown. So IsNullOrEmpty actually check the length, that is 0, while the IsNullOrWhiteSpace actually does a for each character and return false immediately as soon as a character is not a whitespace, just for performance improvements. So these are two very useful methods that is common practice now using C# to use. Actually, if you're looking on GitHub and you try to search for IsNullOrEmpty, you will find 3.6 million usages across all C# repositories. So it's clearly one of the most used methods in C#. So definitely recommend you to use it if you didn't know about it. I come across sometimes some union engineers that I didn't know about it, and I've seen a lot of .length equals 0 in the code base, and I've shown them this method, and they were very pleased because it's very useful and a common problem. So use it, and see you for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.